Hey guys, welcome to ArcTech. So in this video, let us solve a question based on finding the output and let us play with pointers. Okay. So here we have the question. It was asked in the 2011 and it says find the output of the following program. So this is the program here. Okay, so this is based on pointers, and before going to solve the question, let us see what are the important points regarding pointers. So these are the important points. I hope you have read this before in my previous videos. So I hope you are familiar with these points. So if you want, you can just pause the video and you can just see these points again. So now let us solve the question here. We'll go line by line again. And here we have the first thing as include iostring.h. Then we have the main function here. In the main function, we have an integer array which is named as track. It is having these four values. Okay. After this, we have a pointer here. The name of the pointer is striker. And as you can see that here is a star mark before the declaration of the integer. Therefore this means that this is a pointer and this is pointing to a integer value. Okay, then in this is striker. Okay, this is a typing mistake. This is striker, same thing here. So this is the pointer. Okay, then we are assigning a value to it, and that value is name of the array. Whenever we are assigning the name of an array to a pointer, then this means that we are assigning the address of the first element of the respective array. So here striker will get an value which is the address of the first element, that is 10 here. Okay, fair enough. Then we'll go to the next line. Here we have something messing with this array. Okay, so I'll just write these values here in the rough side. What is happening here is that we are incrementing the value of track of 1 with 30. So we are adding 30 to track of 1. Now track of 1 here is, this is track of 0, this is track of 1, 20. So we are adding 30 to 20. That means that our track of 1 will become 30 plus 20, that is 50. Okay, so we'll get 30 plus 20, that is 50 in the place of track of 1. Track of 1 is this. So we'll just erase this value and we'll add 50 to it. So this is our new value. After this, we'll go to the next line, and that says that cout striker. So we'll write striker in the output, that is in the answer sheet. You'll write this. So we'll write striker. Then we have the next thing as value present at the address which the pointer is storing. Now the pointer is storing the address of first element. Okay, so I'll write it here. I'll just show you that the pointer is pointing to the first element. Okay, so here the pointer strike, this is the pointer striker. Okay, this is striker and this is pointing to the first element here. As you can see, this is pointing to the first element. So this is saying that give the value which is present at this address, and the value present at this address is 10. So we'll write here 10 because here is striker in the cout, and after that we have this thing, and this means that give the value at the address. So here we have the value as 10. Then we have endl, that means that we'll go to the next line. After that, what is happening here? Striker is getting decremented by 10. Now sorry guys, again here we have typing mistake again. I don't know why we are getting typing mistake again and again. Here we have star striker. Okay, so what we have here is, I'll just write this line here. Okay, so this line is this. Okay, so this is the corrected line here. This is wrong. This is star striker. That means that the value at striker address. Okay, so this will get decremented by 10. Therefore the value at this, at the pointer is pointing to this. Therefore our this will become minus 10. So new value for this will be, this is already 10, so it will become 10 minus 10, that is equal to 0. Okay, so our new value for this will become 0. Okay, after that, in the next line we have striker getting incremented by 1. Therefore our striker, which is the pointer, which is pointing here, will get incremented by 1, and this will point to the next value, that is this will point to 50 here. Okay, so now our pointer striker is pointing to this value. Then we have cout, and this cout is this thing. So we'll give cout in the answer sheet. Okay, so we'll write it here. So we have, you'll copy exactly the same thing given in this double quotes. Okay, Then we'll write same thing next at, and then we have star striker. Okay, this means that value at the address the striker is storing. The address which this striker is storing is this address, and the value at this address is 50. So we'll write 50 here. Then we have endl, so we'll go to the next line here. Now here what is happening is our striker is getting incremented by 2. Therefore our striker will point to the variable that is very next to the next variable. Okay, therefore for this pointer will point to the variable next to the next variable, that is to this variable. Okay, so now our pointer is pointing to this variable. Okay, then we have cout, and that cout says that last. Okay, so we'll go to the next line because here is endl, and we'll give cout as the same thing that is given in the cout there. So we'll write last and then at, and then we are having output as value at striker address. Okay, so value at the address the striker is storing is this, and the value here is 40. Then we have a new line here, so we'll go in the new line. Then we are having cout as reset 2. Okay, so we'll give output as reset 2. Copy exactly the same thing given in this double quotes. Then we have track 0. Now what is track? Track is the array and track 0 is this, and as you can see that this has changed its value, therefore we'll get output as 0 here. So we'll write 0, and then we have new line here. We go to the new line, then this is over. So therefore in the answer sheet you'll write this thing. Okay, so that's it, and let me know your doubts and queries in the comment section below if you have. Thanks for watching.